Welcome back to Python MC. In this section, we're going to show you the solution for creating a cat class. We'll just walk through the code. So you can see we've used the keyword cat class, and then cat is the name of our object. And our instructions were to create the cat class with self.name is making a sound meow, which is going to be our new meow method, replacing the bark method. And that cat was going to be called Minerva. Light and dark brown stripes was the color. Tabby cat is the breed. And then we'll use the minerva.meow and the minerva.description method. So we see we have the init constructor. That actually doesn't change. It's the same exact one we use for the dog class. So in this case, all we did was just change a little bit of the description in the code here, our sort of contract for, or our design contract or design template for this function, this method. And so self.name, self.color, and self.breed are still there. But we're going to replace bark with meow because we just need this new meow method. And we're just going to change that from self.name is making a sound wolf to self.name is making a sound meow. And pretty simple and straightforward. We're just really reusing our code from the previous section with a class dog. So let's go just replace, in this case, Minerva will be the name of the object, and Minerva is the name of the cat. We'll just copy this in. Some of you might have caught that we've got an error already. We'll see if you can figure that out. We're going to copy in tabby cat. And where you see Labrador. Okay, and now we're going to go ahead and just replace these new methods. We're going to create the Minerva method, minerva.meow and minerva.description. So we're just going to go ahead and replace Fido with Minerva. So we're really just completely reusing our code from the previous section. And so this is actually not going to work. There is a bug in here. We haven't spotted it yet. I'm just going to sort of, let's see if you spot it. Give you another second. Okay, I'm going to save it. And I'm going to run it, and then we'll see our bug. There you go. Yeah, the name dog is not defined. What do you mean by that? On line 35. Oh, okay. So we tried to create this new cat class, but when we actually are still referring to dog, so we've got to replace that with cat. Run that, and it should work perfectly fine now. Oh, wait, cat has no, oh yeah, I got another error. Oops, I didn't replace bark with meow. Loads of errors. Okay, going to do that now. Okay, there. So we have the right output here on the screen. Minerva is making a sound meow and describes Minerva properly. So what have we done here? So if we've just really taken the dog class and we've really changed it into a different type, into a cat class. Let's go ahead and just print the type of the object. And we'll just say the Minerva dot name is, and we'll just say type, and we'll just say Minerva.name, or type Minerva. I'm going to run it. We'll see it's the cat class. We've created our own type of object. The same way we have integers are types of objects, lists are types of objects, strings are types of objects. We've created our own type of object called cat. You've done a great job. Hopefully you got all the bugs and figured it all out. We'll see you again on Python MC. Python MC.